Good afternoon. See, in the last class, we were doing problem of block on slope, and it was an interesting problem. Before that, also we solved one problem where we have a cylinder on slope instead of a block. So that problem is chosen for teaching you is especially to understand importantly three-force equilibrium concept, right? So when you have a free body diagram, three forces are there that should essentially be a concurrent or parallel force system. So we could see that in that example that should constitute a parallel force system. So that's what we have seen in that. Also, we looked at when we have a cylinder on slope and it has to be under rest condition or impending to start its motion or rolling condition, what are the necessary direction of friction force. So this is all what we have seen in that problem. And then the second problem in the last period we did was block on slope where the slope angle is greater than angle of repose. So the block which is just kept on the slope would accelerate down, will move down. But we need to ensure that no, it should be under static equilibrium on that slope. So there should be an external force P should act on the block. So when that is acting, then it is just preventing it sliding down. Or if you increase the magnitude of force P, that can make the block to move up also. So you understood that there can be a range of value of P under for that range, a block can stay in the slope under static equilibrium. So that's what we concluded in the last class problem. And one part we have done. We will continue today's class with the second part solving, and then we will get into some interesting problem.